Hi, we're on the Seoul Metro Line 1, headed for Seoul Station in Korea. People from all over Korea come to Seoul Station to catch trains to all different parts of Korea. However, we're here today to do some carpool chemistry. Today, we're going to learn how to calculate the pH of a solution knowing the H plus concentration. So let's say you have an H plus concentration of 2.7 times 10 to the minus 6 moles per liter, and you want to find out what the pH is. Well, we know the relationship between pH and plus is pH is equal to the negative logarithm of the H plus concentration. And we go ahead and fill in the value for H plus. pH is equal to the negative logarithm of 2.7 times 10 to the minus 6. So if we were able to calculate the logarithm of 2.7 times 10 to the minus 6, we'd be able to find the pH. Well, let's do this on our TI-30 calculator. What we want to do is, let's take a look first of all at the logarithm of 2.7 times 10 to the minus 6, and then afterwards we'll put a negative sign in front of it. To do that, you simply look for your log key over here, and you press it, log, and then you punch in 2.7. Now you want to put this in scientific notation. So what we want to find for that is the EE key, which is right over here. It's up in blue as a second function, so you must press second function, EE, and then it's times 10, that means 2.7 times 10 to what power? 10 to the minus 6 power. So you press in our negative sign down at the bottom right-hand corner, not subtract, but the negative sign, so that means it's to the negative 6 power. Remember, we're not subtracting 6, but we're taking this to the minus 6 power. And then we punch in 6, and then I'm going to end my parentheses. And then I could hit my equal or enter sign down below right here. And I got pH is equal to the negative of 5.57. And it's negative 5.57. And so of course the opposite of negative 5.57 is positive 5.57. So there it is. There's your answer. pH is equal to 5.57. Let's take a look at a different type of calculator, the Casio calculator. And let's see how you operate this calculation with it. We have pH is equal to negative log of 2.7 times 10 to the 6. How do we find the logarithm of 2.7 times 10 to the minus 6 on your Casio calculator? The first thing you need to do is display this number, 2.7 times 10 to the minus 6. So you simply punch 2.7, and then you look at your EXP button right over here at the bottom, EXP, and then you punch in 6, because it says 6 here, but you have to change the sign to the negative 6 power. You don't use the subtraction sign, but rather you use this change sign key that says plus/minus. So I'm going to press that, and that displays 2.7 and then minus 6 there. Then what function do you want to apply to this number that you have displayed on your calculator? You want to apply the log function. And so you look for the key that says log. It's right over here. You press it, and out pops your answer, negative 5.57. All right? And so then you, of course, take the negative sign. And so that's how you calculate the pH of a solution knowing the H plus concentration. From the Seoul Metro Line 1, this is Carpool Chemistry. Thanks for watching.